Oh, there it is. Can you see it? Oh no, I keep dropping everything. Am I back? I don't know what happened. I think it's because I was playing that music. It kicked me off. I was like, no, my novella just got cut off. I think because we were playing music, we were bumping too loud. And Facebook was like, you don't own us. You don't own that song. So we had to put it low. Drop it low, drop it low, drop it low. Your video's fuzzy. Right now, is this video fuzzy?
It's clearing up a little bit.
It'll clear up right now. Let's see if it clears up. I'm pretty sure it'll clear up right now because we checked our internet and it seemed like it was fine. I think Facebook kicked me out because sorry, my mom's calling me. Huh? Okay, let me go back to my Wi-Fi. Hold on. It should be good now, right? We can't play music. Wah. It's gonna be very quiet. Play Summer Nights, Little Rob. Emily's like, who cares? Let's just play music. I can't play music or I'm gonna get kicked out again. This is my first time watching you and I love your lives. Thank you, Brandy. Better. Okay, so we're basically done with this look. If you want to see the whole look, there is another video. We just got kicked out of it. I really think it's because we're playing music too loud. So I'm gonna finish off the look here. I'm going to put a tiny bit of brown, but before that, what lighting do you use? I just used this lamp, but I got a special light bulb, so the light bulb was more expensive than the lamp. The light bulb is what gives me a good reflection. Love the lip color. So this is the nude and the intense orange in the Indelible Lipsticks. This is how they look. Mine are kind of all beat up because I had them for a while now. But this is how they look, and they're smudge proof, waterproof, and they will literally last you all day. So as you can see, you don't see any nude or orange. And even if I drink, it's not gonna come up. Now, but when you use the matte lipsticks, these are not smudge proof, waterproof, or long lasting. These are just regular matte lipsticks. They're really good still. I absolutely love them. Let me get a brush that I'm wanting to put this on the corner. Let's see, where is it? Where is it? Hello, where are you? Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, oh, it's right here. Get up close in person. Also, we can see better. Get up close in person. Like that. This one is Indelible Lipstick. They're only $12. They're smudge proof and waterproof. And it's like, I was going to say it's linked down below, but I don't have the link down below. Let me, if anybody can comment my website, that would be amazing. I'm gonna try to comment it right now, but I know I'm not gonna be able to pin it, but I'm gonna try to pin it. Usually it doesn't let me pin though. So the lipstick that I'm using is from my store.
Just tap it.
I am tapping it, Daddy. See? It doesn't do it. I'll just do Emily's. Okay, so I'm gonna pin Emily's. She pinned the website down below. I pinned it actually, but that's my website, and literally those lipsticks are in there in 14 shades only though. And then we have the matte lipsticks. These are just regular lipsticks. We have 26 colors. They're super creamy and they smell amazing. So what I'm doing is I'm getting a flat brush, and I'm just grabbing some. I'm just putting it at the corner a little bit. Just like this. I have a question. I bought one of those lippies, but it tastes really bad. Do all the taste bad? I don't think all of them. Mine don't taste bad. This one doesn't taste bad at all. I think maybe like the real babe, because she keeps calling me like over and over again, and we're just blending that lipstick. The lipsticks don't contain any kind of alcohol in them, so it doesn't burn or your lips at all, or have that really bad like smell. It literally, it's made with the same flour. It's the same company that makes the organic mascaras. This flour that this organic mascara has, they have it inside the lipstick as well. I'm so excited. Me and my hubby are building my makeup vanity. Oh my god! I want to build one so bad too. I've been thinking about building it. I've been seeing YouTube videos about it. It seems easy enough. I do have the name of the flower listed somewhere in my file. I always forget it. It's like really hard to pronounce for me. But I can send it to you. Just message me. I'm so excited. Is the eyeliner you use from your store? Yes. The eyeliner on top and the under eyeliner, both are from my store, and they're both $8. Am I still freezing, y'all? Yeah, I want to make a vanity so bad. Okay, so that's how kind of my lips are going to be out. So I'm going to grab this little thing that I clean my brows with. Just cut down right here. It's 12 a.m. in Texas. I'm waking up at 5 to go to the gym. Oh my god, girl. I'm already done, so thank goodness we could go now. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys go, but this is my final look. I'm going to add some setting spray to it. So I put a little bit brown just to make my lips look less orangey and nude. There's a bit of brown in there. And then that setting spray, it just seals everything up. Sorry, I didn't get this side, I feel like. And it seals everything up, and it really just makes my eyeshadow and makeup last more throughout the day. I'm the only one at home. Am I the only one at home? I'm at home. I'm at home. Looks good, girl. Thank you so much. So this is like the final look. Most of the look was in the other video, which is below this video on the page. Make sure to like and follow my page. We are doing the makeup giveaway, so if you haven't shared the video, share the other video though. And well, you guys can share this video as well. I can add it. I'll know what happened. So we are doing the makeup get bag giveaways. I will be live tomorrow to do another look, and if you for you guys to get a second entry in the giveaway. So you can get up to 5 entries. So today is 1 entry, and if you come back tomorrow, you get another entry. And then we announce the winner on Saturday. And I'm going to go live tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And we are still having that Mother's Day giveaway as well, y'all. If you know of a mother, you need to nominate her. We have tons of makeup boxes here that we're going to do as giveaways, and anybody who nominates somebody is automatically going to go into the raffle, and the raffle is a bunch of makeup from my store as well. How do we enter? I just joined. Ruby, you could just share the video, and for the Mother's Day, you have to go to my website and click under Mother's Event, and you get a description on what to do. Make sure to email us about the person that you are nominating. So if you guys know a mom, and you're like, God, I wish like she deserves it, please send us an email through our website, which is pinned down below, and let us know her story and why you nominated her, and then we're going to give you a link and a number, a raffle number, and a link to go to an event. The event is online, so it's not somewhere that you have to go, but it is all online. Do you only use powder on your eyebrows? Yes, I only use powder on my eyebrows. Got it. Thank you. What time to... Cassandra, what time? Saturday for the makeup bag giveaway. It's always at 7 p.m. I always go live at 7 p.m. Pacific time. If anything, I go live like around that time, 7:10, 7:15, 7:20. What time tomorrow, love? 7 p.m. Pacific time, Cassandra. I'm in Oregon. What do you use for lighting, Nancy? I just use a lamp, but I paid a lot for the bulb that's in the lamp, which is the one that gives me my like the good lighting. You look beautiful. Oh, thank you so much, Ruby. I never really do my hair, so I'm always just like leave it like this. But I am all done, y'all. Julie, the lashes she has on her, believe are Molly. Yes, these ones are called Molly. I kind of got glue stuck right here on this one, but whatever. I'm about to take the makeup off anyway, so I am gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna post my links after once the video's over. I'm gonna post links. Make sure to subscribe so you guys can get coupons. If you subscribe, we do have an active coupon right now for the highlighter. It's 25% off. The Gold Celebrity Highlighter is 25% off with the promo code. And if you subscribe, you always get like email updates and everything like that. I'm gonna have my Instagram. Make sure to check that out and follow there. I have a bunch of pictures that I do with all the makeup products from my store, and then my Snapchat where I usually take off all my makeup and stuff. Make sure to like and follow this page, and I am all done. I'll see you guys later. Bye.